Hello everyone and welcome to today's reading. My apologies, I was supposed to be here a whole lot earlier this morning and I was just so tired I came back and kind of fell asleep and I just needed it. So I do apologise, but I am here now. So what I'm going to do today is connect with the spirit who's been giving me the image of a blue truck. That's all I pretty much know about them. Yeah, so I think I'm just going to get straight into it today. Hello, Katrina. I didn't know if anyone was going to come because I was supposed to be here at 9 o'clock this morning. Hello, Julie. I hope you've all got your coffee or whatever you're drinking ready. And I'm just going to get straight into it, guys. All right, so I have asked him to come forward. I do know it's a male, but everything else I don't know, so... Spirit, when you're ready, can you move my pendulum for me, please? Thank you. Can you show me your sign for yes? Can you show me your sign for no? So that's anti-clockwise. Thank you. Can you show me no or may sorry, I don't know, or maybe. Thank you. Can you show me if you need me to rephrase? Okay. So, spirit, are you the spirit who has been showing me the visions of the blue truck? Have you connected with anyone like this before? No. Okay. Are you male? Yes. Was your death an accident? Yeah. Okay. Do you remember the year that you passed away? Yeah. Yeah. So we're in 2021 now, and the reason I'm mentioning that is because spirits don't have a sense of time, so he's not going to know how much time has passed. So did you pass away in the last 10 years? Yeah. Okay. Just feel this sadness, and I do want to ask, have you crossed over? No. Okay. Do you want me to help you with that? Yes. And that makes sense now why he's been giving me the vision, because he needs my help. Okay. So I'm going to try and... You can tell me your name because I can hear you. Okay, just for the people at home. Is your name Christopher? Yeah. Okay. Christopher, did you leave behind a family? Yeah. Okay. Did you have a wife? He's saying that he was married for about 10 years. Just want to double check with you guys that you can hear me okay too. Sorry, I forgot to ask. Did you have children? Yes. Okay. I just need to stop for a minute. Did you have a daughter called Samantha? Did you have a son called Gregory? Yeah. I'm just going to write a couple of these details down just before I forget. Bear with me. Christopher. Samantha. He's saying that Samantha was the oldest. His daughter and his son. And I have to stop for a minute because I'm just feeling his everything at the moment. There's happiness, there's a lot of sadness going on, and I'm feeling it, and that can actually affect the reading. It can affect the outcome, so I need to make sure that I'm composed. I push all that aside if I can. I've got to let Christopher know. I get where he's coming from, but I need to let him know to try and keep emotions out of it too, and to help me out with that. So pushing these tears away because I can feel his sadness, but I'm just trying to get myself together. Christopher to get himself together too. And he's saying he was involved in an accident. He was hit head on with his truck. It was late. He was at work. He's giving me a vision, guys, of what's happened. So I'm just going to shut my eyes so I'm not distracted by your comments or whatever. He's driving. It's pretty dark. Not a lot of lighting around. He's been at work. He's tired. He's driving home. He started to fall asleep and he's drifted to the other side, and at the same time he's just crashed into a truck. He died there and then. He hasn't crossed over yet, so he's been hanging around for a couple of years. He's saying that he's scared to go because he's so worried that his family are going to forget. And Christopher, I can tell you that you're no longer here, but you're still a part of their life. You know, you're still their dad, you're still their husband. Their memories are always going to be there. He's nodding and he says he knows he gets it, but he's afraid. And I get that too. He's saying his funeral was beautiful, and he was there watching his family, his kids, crying, and he didn't realise how loved he was. I'm just going to go pop over and go grab some tissues. Just excuse me for a sec. I did not expect to be so emotional for this one. So I need to step back, get all these feelings and emotions away, because it's going to affect the reading and we don't want that. His wife's name was Marie, so he's telling me that. No sound, no sound. Can you guys hear me now? Because I've just said no sound. Can you hear me? Someone just type yes if you can. Sorry, just so then that way I know. Sound's been fine. Oh, 'cause someone said that they couldn't hear it. Okay, thank you. So for those that have just joined, Christopher is here. He's the one that's been giving me the visions of the blue truck. So he was in a accident about 10 years ago. He was going home from work and he was hit with his truck. He was falling asleep and he's left behind his wife, Marie, and his 2 children, Samantha and Gregory. So, and he's come to me because he, excuse me, he wants to cross over. He is ready. I think. Okay. And Christopher, have you been? Do you visit Marie? Yes. He's just heard the sirens and he's saying that I've just had I think ambulance or police go past. Excuse me. And he's just saying that sound for him triggers memories. He remembers there being police and ambulance everywhere after the accident. And he said every time he hears a siren or something, it takes him back. It's incredible. Does Marie know when you're there? Yeah. Does she acknowledge you? Okay, that's good. And Christopher, we need you to continue after you've crossed over to keep visiting Marie. It's important for her to know that you're still there. Yeah. Do you visit your children, Samantha and Gregory? Yeah. Awesome. And he's saying that he'll continue to visit them as well. Hi guys, to everyone that's joined. Okay. All right. Do you visit other family members? He visits everyone. That's awesome. That's good. Do you feel a sense of love when you visit them? Yes. Christopher, I need you to remember that this isn't your realm anymore. You do need to cross over to where you need to be. And as I've said, no one's going to forget you. You're still so much a part of their life, even though you're not here physically in this world anymore. You're loved, you're wanted, you're cherished. You're still Marie's husband. You're still the kid's dad. So nothing on earth is ever going to change that. You know, they're not going to forget you. He's telling me that they've all got his photo in their room. And there's a big wedding one of him and Marie that's above their TV. Now, apparently it's the first thing that he's giving me a vision, so it's the first thing that you see when you walk into their house is their wedding picture. And he said, and she looked beautiful, and I love that. His understanding, I think I can feel he's a whole lot lighter. And I think that sigh is from him as well, saying he's ready, he needs to do this. It's been a while. He didn't realise actually how much time has passed. So he's kind of... 2021, what? I know, dude. The year's almost done. Is there anything else you want to tell me? Yes. Yep. Oh, excuse me. Are you telling me that there's other people that need help to cross over? Yes. I already know there is. There's a lot. There's a lot of lost souls out there. Would you like me to help them as much as I'm going to help you? Yep. That's all right. Send them my way. He's nodding and saying he will. All right. Christopher is telling me that it's time that he feels at peace, and he gets what I said, that he's not going to be forgotten. And I've connected with a lot of spirits in the past that have the same issue. They don't want to leave here because they're so afraid of leaving their families behind, leaving their loved ones behind. They're so worried that they're going to be forgotten and not loved anymore. And my heart shatters for them because they're always part of the family. They're always loved. So they're always going to be there. Even though they're not physically here, they're still here, if you know what I mean. So I think now that I've explained that to him, he's a lot happier, and I think he's ready to go. So Christopher, I know you're here with me. He's standing here and he's saying, I'm ready, can we do this? Yes, we can. For you guys out there, some of you have watched me do this before, so I'm just going to shut my eyes, connect with Christopher, do what I need to do. And you may feel, and I have some people have experienced this in the past, you might feel like a bit of a ping or something when he goes. I'll let you know when he goes, but let me know if you guys feel anything. So just bear with me for a minute or so, and we're going to send Christopher on his way. And if all you guys want to vibe out all your positive stuff for him, I reckon that's probably going to help him too. So, all right, bear with me for a minute or so. All right, so Christopher has gone. Christopher has left the building. That'll be my Google. Hang on a minute. Hang on. She's just bailed up, Cass. Give me a second, guys. Hang on. Oh, that's all right. And you're naked. I'm wearing bras. Just caught my... This is a Google. Knock it off. So Christopher has gone, and he's fine. He's going to be okay, and I'm so stoked. Google, what do you think? Mwah. That was pretty intense, and that's something I just was not expecting. So if you guys felt anything, any energy-wise, let me know below. I'm interested to... I don't know if you could pick it up, but holy crap, he was... man, I haven't done a reading like that for a long time and felt something. I was crying. Yeah, it was pretty intense. I'm actually kind of speechless, and I'm never speechless. I've always got something to say, but I'm really just kind of... oh, boy. But I'm so happy that he's gone. He's okay, so that's good, and he is going to connect. I know that there's a couple of other family members he's going to connect with anyway. I could see someone standing there with their arms out for him, and I love it when I see that. And quite often you will see somebody waiting for the person who's going into the next realm. Just before he said he'd fallen, I was literally yawning and falling asleep. Oh, there you go. So at least I know who he is now, and it goes to show how spirits will find a way to connect with me, to let me know, or with anyone like me, to let me know that they're there. Quite often they will give me a visual, and in this instance, Christopher was giving me a truck. Sometimes they will just shout out a name. It's nothing for me to be in a crowd of people and go, you know, who's Josh? Who's this? Who's that person? It's because they're just yelling out a name to me. They will call my name. They will, I'll smell things that aren't there. So sometimes I will smell, quite a common one is either perfume / flowers, alcohol, believe it or not, and smoke. See you, Karen. They also give me a sign through taste. So quite often if someone has passed away from cancer, I will get like a metallic taste in my mouth. There's lots of ways that they will find to get your attention, and every spirit's different. So, and every person like me is different too. So it's funny when we all get together and compare notes, because everything happens different ways for different people. So that was pretty intense in some spots, and I do teach excuse me again, it's not COVID, I promise, that, you know, when you're doing a reading, you must keep pretty level. So when I was getting it, when I could feel myself getting emotional, I had to just stop, push all thoughts, feelings, emotions, everything aside, because that, don't forget, pendulums will pick up the the energy, and that can influence the reading. So I actually don't need a pendulum anymore. You'll see a lot of my readings now. I'll start off using it, but then I end up putting it down and just connect. I know you guys like to see the pendulum moving, so I do remember and pick it up and use it. So I'm stoked with that. I feel so sad for his family, but I'm happy that Christopher now has moved on, and I'm pretty sure he's going to send some more my way. That is apparently my life path, is to help lost souls, and I've lost count of the amount that I have actually helped cross over. So this is what I'm meant to be doing. So I don't know. I will, if you have missed this at any point in time, if you did join late, I am going to repost this on my page anyway. As of next week, most of my videos I think are going to be going on YouTube, so I'm pretty excited at that. I do need to read all the rules though. Apparently there's things you can't talk about on YouTube, so I better find out what they are. If I don't, I'm probably not going to last too long, so I will do that. So let me know your thoughts, comments, if you felt anything during that reading. Let me know. I'm interested in hearing. Be good, be kind, love one another. Thank you for joining, and I will see you next video. Bye for now.